Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making fresh cucumber salad with homemade vinaigrette dressing. This is one of my favorite ways to enjoy cucumbers. The salad is so good and such a healthy side. Please make sure you have your notification bell turned on. That way you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now let's get started. Alright guys, I have some cucumbers here for the salad. I am using English cucumbers. These are more flavorful than the regular cucumbers, so they're perfect for salads. We're going to start by slicing the cucumbers, so go ahead and cut off the ends and slice your cucumbers as thinly as possible because thinner slices make the best cucumber salad. You want your cucumber slices to look very thin, just like these. Go ahead and transfer your cucumber slices into a mixing bowl. Season with a generous amount of salt, then toss everything together. Make sure the salt gets on every single slice, then let the cucumbers sit for about an hour. That way the salt can extract water from the cucumbers. Cucumbers are very watery, so if you don't extract the water, your salad will become a soggy mess. So while we let the water extract from the cucumbers, we're going to make the vinaigrette dressing. And if you have a mason jar, use it to make the dressing because it'll help to combine the ingredients a lot better. Start making the dressing by pouring some olive oil into your mason jar. Next, add some white wine vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar. Some lemon juice going in. Dijon mustard, and a little bit of honey to balance all the acidity going on in the vinaigrette. For extra flavor, add some finely minced garlic, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes. Add salt and pepper to taste, then you're going to place the lid on, then shake the jar really hard until everything is very well combined. Once the mixture is combined, it will look really creamy, just like this. And that's really it. Vinaigrette is very simple to make. We're going to set this aside for later, and by this time the water should have drawn out of the cucumbers. We're going to drain out all that water, and I like to use my clean hands to squeeze the water out. Doing this also helps the cucumbers to soak in the vinaigrette a lot better. Go ahead and transfer the cucumbers into a different bowl. Go back and squeeze the remaining cucumbers and discard all that water. Next, we're going to slice and chop up an onion. I like a lot of onions in my salads, so use as much as you want. Make sure you finely mince the onion because you don't want to bite into huge chunks of onion. Go ahead and toss those in with the cucumbers. Then grab some fresh dill, finely chop that, and toss into your bowl. Mix everything together, grab your vinaigrette dressing and pour that all over your salad. You can pour as much as you want. If you have any vinaigrette left over, you can store it in the fridge and use it up later. Give that one last mix and you are ready to enjoy. The salad came out so fresh and the vinaigrette dressing is really tasty. I served this with baked salmon. It was such a healthy, delicious side. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.